This video is going to walk you through how you can add your students to a Moodle area using their course code. I'm in one of my test courses here, and all I need to do to add students by course code is go up to the gears icon at the top left with course management. And when I click that, I get my course management options, and I'm looking underneath user links, manage your students, for enrollment methods. We're going to click on that. And what we need to choose is we need to add a method. From this drop-down link, we're going to add the course meta link option. Once I've got this course meta link option up, I need to type in the course code for the student group that I want to add. After I've typed in this option, we'll see that we get a couple of items in the list below. The one you need to add is the one that's got the course code at the start, the name of the course, and says enrollment only in brackets. Once you've clicked on it, hit add method, and we can see in our enrollment methods menu that one's been added down at the bottom of the list. Currently it says 0 users because the users won't be added to your course until they log into Moodle for the first time. When they do that, they'll automatically be added to any areas in Moodle where you've done a course meta link back to that course code. Hopefully that's helpful. If you've got any questions, don't forget you can ask us at helpdesk@borderscollege.ac.uk.